Stockyards City is known for places like Cattleman's Steakhouse, Great Western Wear, and now Grain and Grange. This new shop specializes in furniture made right here in Oklahoma City.
This stuff has endured over decades or centuries.
As you glance around this showroom, numerous pieces may catch your eye.
Owner Todd Miller says what makes the furniture here at Grain and Grange different is that each piece has a story. The wood, whether old boxcar flooring, cargo flooring, or barn wood, was harvested, reclaimed, and repurposed to give new life to the lumber which may have otherwise ended up in a landfill.
It's this wood that's been up and down millions and millions of miles of roads. It's got this beautiful texture and weathering and patina to it.
Many of the pieces pay homage to the city in which they were built. The exchange table, the Edgemere table, and the Agnew table, just to name a few.
We try to tie things the best we can back to local to Oklahoma City, or even to statewide or agricultural things that people will recognize.
Others remember the farms or cities that they were saved from. Miller said they often work with families tearing down an old barn to salvage the wood and give it new life.
To say that, you made something that somebody's going to spend a third of their life in, or that you made something that their family's going to gather around, that they're going to share meals at, that they're going to cry over, that they're going to do their taxes on and figure out their budgets on, that means a lot to me.
Despite the location directly across the street from Cattleman's Steakhouse, Miller says this is not a Western furniture store. While some items may appeal to that crowd, there's a modern feel to much of what you will find here. One of the hottest items right now, live edge tables.
Those voids that are left as they grow over the course of 50 years or 100 or 200 years, those voids that are left inside are never seen again unless you ever cut the tree down. When you cut the tree down, or when you slab it out into pieces that you can use to make tables out of, you see those voids in there, and one of the things that we do is fill those with a specific color resin,
creating a beautiful, unique piece that will last a lifetime.
All of the things that we do are going to touch people's lives in lots of different ways, and they're going to get hopefully decades of use out of them.
In Oklahoma City, Shelley Mills, Discover Oklahoma.